Hello friends, so in this video let's try to understand this concept of bridge financing. What exactly is a bridge financing? So if I tell you in very simple words, bridge financing is a temporary financing. Why you are taking this temporary finance? Until the permanent funding is available to you, right? So it is a kind of a short term loan that you take. Why you take? Because you have applied for loan somewhere else, but that loan which you have earlier applied you are going to get after a few months, right? Let's take an example to understand this. I'll take this example. Let's say there is a company A Limited who wants to acquire B Limited. There is a company A Limited who wants to acquire B Limited, and for this acquisition this A Limited wants, let's say, 1 crore rupees. They need 1 crore to acquire this B Limited. Now this 1 crore might not be available with A Limited. They applied to XYZ Bank for a loan. Apply to XYZ Bank for loan, but the bank says that we will sanction this loan, we will issue this loan after 6 months, or after, let's say, 4 months, after completing all the formalities, after looking after your financials. We are going to issue the amount after 4 months, right? But this acquisition is to be done right now within the next few days. Now what will A Limited do? A Limited, for acquisition, they need money. The money they are going to get after 4 months, but B Limited says, sir, we need money today. If you want to acquire it today, otherwise we'll sell it to someone else who is having the money. A Limited says, no, I want it now. For this purpose, A Limited will take what? A bridge loan. Now time sensitive acquisition needs immediate funding, because B Limited doesn't want to wait, right? So it is a time bound funding, time bound action that is to be taken. For that, A Limited will take a bridge loan or a temporary loan, complete the acquisition, right, using these funds, and then repay the bridge loan when they will get from the long term loan proceeds. Now this bridge loan that they are going to take, they will pay off when they receive this 1 crore after 4 months from XYZ Bank, right? Successful acquisition, the acquisition is done with the money that is taken as a bridge loan. Bridge loan means the temporary loan that they are going to take, right? Now let's see what are the pros and cons of bridge financing. One, if you look at the advantages: quick approval process. There is no long term process, there is no long process. Just quickly, we need it today, within let's say 1 day, 2 day, you will get the loan. Flexible loan structure, right? How much amount do you need? For how much period do you need? But at the same time, there are the disadvantages. The disadvantages says high interest rate. Why? Because you are taking the loan for a very short period, and whenever you are taking a loan for a short period, the interest rate to be charged will be high, right? And you will need some collateral will be required to be submitted with the bank from whom you are taking the bridge loan for the temporary loan, right? So this is regarding the bridge loan or the temporary loan that you are going to take. This is known as bridge financing. I hope the concept is clear. If it is clear, please do hit the like button on this video and share with all your friends, and stay tuned for more such informative videos, the small videos on each and every small topic with clarity, with examples. See you guys till then. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, keep sharing. Thank you so much.